Now we're going to add some data to the table you created earlier. If you've closed it, open Access up again and find My First Database, and then click on the Hobbies table to open it. We're going to add data underneath where it says first name, so just click your mouse in there and you see you get the flashing cursor there, and we're going to add in Jim. And then you can tab, or you can use your mouse, or you can use the arrow keys to move along to the surname. And we have Jim for the first name, McDonald for the surname, and the hobby is extreme ironing. And you'll notice that with extreme ironing, the text is too long to fit within this column. So if you take your mouse up and along to the end, it turns into a black double-headed arrow. Just double click that, and that widens the column so that it can accommodate however long the text is that's in there. And then we're going to add somebody new, so that's where you go down underneath Jim. You'll get used to this symbol here. It looks like an asterisk or a snowflake. That means new. That lets you add a new one in. So if we click into here and we'll add somebody else, Jeanette Smith, and the hobby is gardening. And let's go down, add a new one. And when you're at the end here, if you just tab, it moves you down automatically to the next line. So you don't really need your mouse. And we'll add someone new, Eddie, and then tab, Ferguson. Underwater darts. Let's add one more, Irene Brown, and her hobby is extreme ironing too. We're finished adding the data. It's worth having a look at what you've done, because in the next video or soon we're going to run a query through this table, and we know if we run a query through it, will try and pull information from the table. So I know that there are 2 people who have done extreme ironing. So if I run a query asking for the hobby, which is extreme ironing, I should get 2 people in my answer. If I ask for gardening, I'll just get 1 person. So we're going to close this and it will prompt you to save. So if you go up here to the cross and close it, do you want to save it? We'll say yes. Now when you want to open it up again, you need to go to wherever you saved it, to go to whatever folder it was, and this is what I called mine. I called it My First Database. Give it 2 clicks and that opens it up again, and you'll see how it looks once you've closed it and left it for a while. Nothing's left in here at the moment. You need to tell it what to do next, and over here is your hobbies table. If I double click that, it opens it back up, and that's where you were a minute ago.